intentional when I push you away. It's untraditional how you know how to stay. 'Cause all I've known is love that's fine. A rush at first, fades with time. I'm used to difficult, but you're changing my ways. Wasn't easy, wasn't magic, didn't just happen, never known this. I love the way you love me on purpose. How something in your eyes say I deserve this. I'm so used to settling for surface, but you love me like I'm somebody that's worth it. There's nothing accidental here, I'm learning that all along my love wasn't a burden. Now it's in the hands of the right person, and you show me how you love me on purpose.
When you say you need me, it's not out of habit. This is by design, before you was practice. Wasn't easy, wasn't magic, didn't just happen, never known. A steady hand that don't let go, and what it feels like to be chosen. I love the way you love me on purpose. How something in your eyes say I deserve this. I'm so used to settling for surface, but you love me like I'm somebody that's worth it. There's nothing accidental here, I'm learning that all along my love wasn't a burden. Now it's in the hands of the right person, and you show me how you love me. I feel it in my bones, believe the words you say, it's undeniable. Like trying to fight the rain, think you could be the one to turn me back